Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I will be guiding you through how to change YouTube video audio language. So for this you need to head over to your YouTube section, and in here let's just open any of the videos. So let's just say we have any copyright free music or anything, actually not music, let's just say it is a video, and you want to simply get its audio changed. So how do you actually do it? So first of all, you need to open that video, and let's just say this is your video. You're going to be heading over to these three lines. You have your captions, so you can either enable them or let them auto generate. So to change the language, you have basically no as such option directly, but what YouTube do is automatically recognizes if a channel is providing different language videos, then it translates them to your native ones, and that option is not as such available here, but it does happen automatically, so you do not need to actually do anything, and yeah, it will be happening. So this is the only information that I would like to share with you. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.